Well, for all those of you just tuning in, let's remind you of those late night developments. Pictures on your screen from shortly after 1 a.m. in the morning. Well, Ramdev's fast and protest against corruption ending in scenes of violence and drama. The Delhi police using a lathi charge and tear gas shells on the Baba's supporters before they detained him. The first signs of the police crackdown coming after 1 a.m. when a heavy contingent of police entered the Ramlila grounds and surrounded the protest site. The agile yoga guru, you could see him jumping off the stage and into a crowd of his supporters who formed rings around him to protect him from the police. And within a few minutes, Baba Ramdev could be seen in that crowd. He had in fact clambered onto the shoulders of a supporter. He grabbed a microphone at this point and started addressing his supporters. He in fact told them to stay peaceful, but he also exhorted upon people to march to the Ramlila grounds in protest. The police at this point started moving in. NDTV's Siddharth Ranjan Das was right there as those dramatic moments played out. This was his spot report from 1:15 a.m.
High drama at the Ramlila ground. Few moments from now, at about 1 o'clock, a large number of police came on the stage, woke up Baba. The people, the followers of Baba tried to persuade the police not to take Baba away. It's not yet clear whether Baba is to be arrested or not. But Baba, evading the police, jumped from the stage and ran right across the stage to the people who are in between. And here, as you can see, has formed a human cordon. You can see these are the Ramdev's men who are guarding people, and also you can see a lot of followers who have drawn a cordon, a human cordon. Baba is here trying to pacify the crowd. Right now, the situation is very unclear with what intention has the police come, whether to arrest him or to talk to him. But at the moment, Baba is trying to control the crowd. With camera person Sanjay Kaushik, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.
And shortly after that, Baba Ramdev clambered back onto the stage. He drank water, signaled the crowd really to calm down. There were several of his supporters on stage as well. And shortly after that, he couldn't be seen anymore. And that was when the police had detained him. But before that, as the situation threatened to go somewhat out of hand, the police did have to fire tear gas shells in the air. As you can see there, supporters of Baba Ramdev throwing stones at the police as they tried to come nearer. This was at 2:20, in fact, in the morning as the police tried to clear the venue. And